Another type of join which can be useful in SQL is the full outer join. And the full outer join involves the union of both tables and will return the union of the tables even if there is a null result. So it will return what is true, and it will return when there is a null result. And this can be useful if you need to evaluate the records that have null results. So let's have a look at an example. Here we need to union the right join and the left join. So we have the table on the left, and we're unioning, and that's a new word, the result with the table on the right. So here we're just going to return all of the columns. Again, all of the columns, and we can see here from the classes table and the class table where the student counts are equal, and we will get the full union result. We go and run that. We can see here the table on the left here, which is classes, and the table on the right, which is class. And you can see here where there's not a match, we're getting the null result back. And this obviously can be quite useful. You can see here there's a match in these columns. The first, or in class ID 7, 8, 9, and 10, we actually have that match, 200, 210, 220, 230. But in the ID 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the table on the left, we have null results. Again, this can be quite useful for certain applications or certain reports.